Welcome, engineers. Today I'll demonstrate the steel I-beam size calculator, a tool that solves the fundamental structural problem of selecting the correct W-shaped beam for a given load and span while ensuring code compliance for deflection limits. Let's examine each input field. First, we have load in pounds or newtons. This is your total uniformly distributed load. Next is span in feet or meters, the clear distance between supports. The steel grade dropdown offers three options: A36 at 36 KSI, A572 grade 50 at 50 KSI, and A572 grade 65 at 65 KSI. For today's demonstration, I'll select A572 grade 50, the most common specification for structural steel. The deflection limit dropdown provides L over 240, L over 360, and L over 180. I'll choose L over 360. Typical for floor beams supporting plaster ceilings. Finally, the units dropdown lets you work in imperial pounds and feet or metric newtons and meters. I'll use imperial units. For our example, let's size a beam for an office floor. I'll enter 15,000 pounds for the load. That's a typical uniformly distributed load, including dead and live loads. For span, I'll input 20 feet. With A572 grade 50 steel selected and L over 360 deflection limit, I'll click Calculate I-beam size. The results show our recommended W shape, perhaps a W12 by 26. The weight per foot tells us the beam weighs 26 pounds per linear foot. Moment capacity indicates the beam's bending strength in foot-pounds. Actual deflection shows the calculated deflection in inches. These outputs confirm your beam meets both strength and serviceability requirements. Remember, always verify your total load includes all dead, live, and any special loads before calculating. Find the link in the description below.